Hello everyone, Daria here and welcome back. Welcome back to the Slow Russian Language Podcast. Last summer I said that I wouldn't upload any new episodes and it was absolutely true, but you know what's interesting? Since then, I've been receiving emails every single day. Seriously, several hundreds of emails. It's insane. I didn't expect that at all. And people are asking, what's going on? When are you coming back? We're waiting and stuff like that. And it's crazy because I was much more interested in YouTube. So finally, last week, I opened my Libsyn account, my podcast provider, and just decided to check the stats. And you know what? Every day, there are thousands of downloads. So at least 2,000 or 3,000 of downloads per day. It's crazy if you think that I haven't uploaded anything since last summer. So I thought, oh my goodness, my podcast is much more popular than my YouTube channel, apparently. And that's what people actually want. Nobody wants to watch my YouTube videos. People want to listen to some Russian while driving or working out. So I thought that the time has come for the slow Russian to rise again. From the ashes of my laziness. Let's put it like that. So here I am back mumbling in front of you. But today we have no Russian text because I decided to start in February. Today, I want to ask you for a favor. I want you to contact me, to send a letter or some private message, but please not on Facebook. There is 1,000 messages that I didn't read, so I won't be able to see yours, unfortunately. So much better is somewhere on Telegram or on Instagram maybe. So if you have any request, if you want me to talk about some particular topic in the future, please contact me and share your ideas with me. The email, I have several of them. The general one is daria@realrussianclub.com. Also, I have realrussianclub@gmail.com. And even the special one for this podcast, which is slow Russian in one word, slowrussian@gmail.com. So if you have anything to say to me, if you have any ideas for the future episodes, please contact me and let me know. As for today, I guess that's it. It's just a little intro for the future episodes, and hopefully this time we'll be able to make it a regular kind of a thing. Okay, so I hope once a week I'll be here. Okay, but yeah, I'm being too optimistic about myself. So we'll see how it goes. For today, that's it. Thank you very much for listening, and I really, really hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.